My video is about getting rid of the pop-up windows by the website errordirector.org. Errordirector.org is a really dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, errordirector.org, tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extension which may actually operate as adware. So if you ever see these deceptive pop-ups by errordirector.org, don't tolerate these pop-ups. They are fake. Don't install whatever they promote. As I said, such pop-ups are really fake and deceptive, and they promote certain unwanted browser extensions. So you need to be very careful because such extensions may actually operate as adware or as browser hijackers, for instance. So leave this deceptive page. Also, I would recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the site combocleaner.com, use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software and start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.